October 29th, 2017 when he was killed. My name is John Dollar. I'm the president of the Rob Dollar Foundation. Rob was my son. We started the foundation because he was killed while he was cycling. South Mountain is where he was killed. It's a big mountain pass outside of Phoenix. He loved riding that mountain. Before he was killed, he started talking about starting a foundation to create more safety and awareness for cyclists. So after his death, myself and some close friends started this foundation to bring more safety and awareness to the cycling community. It's the second annual Rob Dollar Ride, and it's at the South Mountain Park. We just thought that'd be a good place for it. It's got a nice big parking lot. The mountain is closed off to motorists, so the cyclists can use the mountain, different trails, and not have to worry about any kind of traffic. Yes, we've got the Phoenix Police Department coming out, and they're going to be running a kids safety rodeo. We have a bounce house, face painting, Halloween candy since Halloween's right around the corner. There is a $19 fee just for the cyclists only. So you can bring the whole family out there. We're going to have some live music. We've got a food truck coming out on top of the snacks that we will be providing. We've worked with the South Mountain Park to kind of change some of the hours that they close the mountain down to motorists. So they've had what they call is Silent Sunday for years. It's the fourth Sunday of every month where the park is closed off all day to motorists. And it's still in place. But with that, we've worked with them to try to get it closed off some more hours. So what they did is they did a survey. With the results of the survey, they have closed it off on Sunday. Right now it's summer hours, so cyclists, walkers, runners can use that mountain till 10 a.m. before they open up to motorists every Sunday, on top of still having the Silent Sunday. So that's one of the things we did, trying to make that mountain safer. On top of that, we've had some billboards on the I-10, save a life, give 3 feet to the cyclists. It's the law. Because the majority of the public does not know that that's an actual law. So one of the things we're trying to do is educate motorists that, hey, when the cyclist is there, the law is minimum 3 feet when you pass them. Yeah, if you go to the robdollarfoundation.org website, there's a donation button. If you want to volunteer, maybe not at this event, we have other events that we attend. We're always looking for people to help. And like I said, we're just trying to just make it safer, just for, everyone cycles. You're not going to meet many people that have never been on a bike. Families cycle. So like I said, we're just trying to make it safer for all. Now we're a 501c nonprofit organization, and we're all volunteers. We also donate helmets and lights to other nonprofits. We Cycle USA is in Mesa, and they donate bikes to underprivileged kids and adults. They don't have money for safety items, so we donate a lot of helmets and lights to them, and a couple of other different foundations we've donated some to also. Well, this shirt says it all. Robert Allen Dollar. This is a dollar phrase, is adapt and dominate. Rob was one of those guys, he was, fitness was his lifestyle. It wasn't just, hey, I'm gonna go work out. That was his lifestyle. He worked out, he ate right, and he pushed himself to the limit. And with that, if you were with him, he's pushing you to the limit.
Suffering.
He was not a quiet guy by any means. He'd be screaming, yelling at you. But he would be the first person at the end of the ride or whatever he's doing to come up to you and say, awesome job, way to go, way to push yourself. I have people that reach out to me and says, hey, when I won this race, Rob was the first person to call me. And he's like, that's the kind of guy he was. I mean, he pushed himself to the limit, but he'd be the first one to say, way to go. One of the words he used to say is top notch. our goal is, you know, we're going to do everything top notch, and that's what that he would be super happy. I've been riding his bike. I got his mountain bike that he won the California State Championship, because he moved over there for 3 years and he won the California State Championship with this bike. So I've been riding that because after the event last year, myself, one of my other sons, and some close friends of his, we rode up to the mountain after the event was over just for him. So I know he would like that. I know he's proud. And like I said, like I tell people, we're making his dream a reality, you know, and you know, we took this tragedy and now we're trying to help the community. So I guarantee he's looking down, smiling.
So just remember, everyone's going through hard times, whether it be anything in life, and it's always going to get easier. Just keep pushing through, keep grinding, stay positive, just dominate. You guys have a good weekend. Bye.